So if we're talking about the temporary side, the key information is what is your weekly billing and what is your weekly payroll? What is your weekly payroll burden? Because the key components will be is at the end of the day, you're billing out individuals. So you need to know what is my cost for those individuals and what am I billing? So part of the decision as a startup is where are your investment dollars going to go? And I strongly suggest and urge that you use the appropriate staffing software that will track that information, because those business owners that have the financial information at their fingertips are the ones that typically will be more profitable because they're able to make adjustments much faster than those business owners that are waiting 1, 2, 3 months to get that information. So you want to track your billing, you want to track your payroll, you want to track if there's overtime issues. I have clients where they're providing staffing and the contract specifically states no overtime. I've had situations where clients were not tracking their payroll, not realizing they were incurring overtime charges, and guess what? They couldn't bill their customer for that overtime. So staffing software, I think, is a must in your line of business.
Yeah. And when you say staffing software, are you speaking specifically about the applicant tracking system or from a billing perspective?
Both. So
okay.
From a billing perspective, you want to have the ability where there's software where as you're putting in the payroll or even the subcontractor, if it's a corp to corp, which will automatically generate the bill when you enter that information. So all of it is real time. So that software is available. I will tell you the future on recruiting. I was at a conference 2 months ago where artificial intelligence is being introduced to work with recruiters that will allow you to review resumes at a much faster speed. And in addition, artificial intelligence is being used for questions to the candidate where based on your customer's requirements and needs, questions will be developed for the candidate to answer that will allow you to look at resumes much faster. And then the resumes that don't fit with that existing customer, we put aside and we'll let you know what customer they will fit with. So artificial intelligence is making its way into your world.
Ooh, I love that. I mean, and I send out a email daily, weekly, sometimes. It just depends on how busy I am. And I have been really screaming AI is in data, those two, AI and just data. Like I get so fired up about that, Michael. You and I are going to have to talk about that offline because that is serious right now.
It's real. It's here, it's coming, and what Dee said is correct. It's leveraging information, and AI is going to allow you to do that at a much faster pace. And also, it'll allow you to customize it to your business.
Yeah, I love that. Question just came in the group chat. What's the typical business structure for small professional staffing, say size of 10 professionals? Is it LLC, elected as S Corp or C Corp, etc.?